Alright, hello everyone. Um, Welcome back. I'm Samuel Adeyemi, and right now I could able to use my laptop to take us through on how to target the right audience. I believe this will help a lot in just typing it here. Alright, so it's very important that you have gone through the PDF I sent you, the first or 4 or 5 pages, which is very important for you to go through it first. Alright, so not wasting much of our time, so let's get to why we are here. Alright, so now the moment you have defined your customer avatar and are able to understand the basic of the sales and marketing. So let's say, for example, I want to sell shoes. I want to sell shoes and bag, quality shoes and bag, quality shoes and bag. Alright, so this is what I want. This is my product which I want to sell. So okay, who am I going to target? Who are going to be my target audience? So if you don't have knowledge of who your target audience is going to look like, so all you need to do is go back to that ebook, over to the ebook of the we have many target audiences here. So now under business industry we have advertising, we have architectures, you have business constructions, you have investment, online banking. You see, these are different people you can target. You have many of them. So all you need to do is to go through them one by one. Go through it one by one. The moment you're going through, so you begin to pick a pen and a biro, pick a pen and a book, and start writing them down. Alright, so now let's say I'm going to target architecture. I'm targeting architecture. And I'm targeting investment. I'm targeting architecture, aviation. That should be one of the healthcare. So all you need to do is just go back. So audience. So I don't want this video to take much of our time. So this is a product, so that you can able to know our products. So audience, architecture, aviation. But please note that this year January there are some data targeting that Facebook removed from its platform. So in case if you don't see in case if you didn't see, if you click any of this audience and you didn't see it there, so but that one is not a problem. So architecture, aviation, investment, I think consulting. So all you need to do is I'm not saying you should type it this way, or when you're running your hard, so you'll be putting them there. So I believe you are seeing what I'm doing. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Maybe you have any confusion in this area. So alright, so now after that, let's you need to add more audiences. Just like I said, sit down first, check all these audiences. We have many of them that I've put down here for you. There's nothing for you to be cracking your head that who am I going to target, who am I going to target. Alright, so now let's target all the old banking system. But okay, let's still leave it that way. So we can also target digital marketing, web developers, web hosting, nursing. Yeah, you can also target these people under business and industry, design, healthcare, healthcare, So I don't want to, like I said, I don't want this video to be long. So I believe you should understand to this point. So after putting many of the audience, so the next thing you are going to do, you can put as many as you want. I mean, the reason why I say you can put as many as you want is because you see what we are going to do next. After putting it, the next thing is you are going to narrow your audience. You need to narrow your audience. You need to narrow your audience. So go back to the ebook. You scroll down. You'll see people. There's one here. You can check. You will use this also. So household income. But I think this is basically from US, but I don't know maybe it's in Nigeria, sha? Because most of these interest are not in our country. So you can just go down. Let's go down. So target people based on their purchase behavior, intent, device usage, and more. Do you see that? So now you can just say, okay, anniversary within 61 to 90 days. You can target. So all you need to do is just either you copy it or you go back. The moment you click on narrow audience, just type anniversary. So I believe Facebook the pop up will come up. So you're able to know the audience, the audience you want to narrow. So what is narrow audience? Narrow audience is that it means you are layering. Like for example, after clicking all this audience, after targeting all this audience, now narrow audience is that you are telling Facebook, what I want to do is that pick out these people who are just purchase behavior inside this audience. So you see the beautiful part of it. So all you need to do, so after putting it, so go back, you pick more. You can check more. This one is in Pakistan. So you can pick more. Like okay, now Facebook payment users. Facebook payment users in 90 days. You can also use in 30 days. Facebook payment users in 90 days, in 30 days. Go back, put it to Facebook payment users in 90 days. So the moment you are typing it, the pop-up will come up, like I said, also in 30 days. So I don't want this video to be long, like I said. So the same thing here. Pick all those people that employ you. Have business page admins too, Facebook page admins, also ads and B2 page admins. They are like I said, it's under the category of what? Category of people based on their target behavior or intent, based on these device users. So do you see the beautiful part of it? So you are going to love this. So that's the thing. You are going to love it. But please notice that marketing, there's what they call ABT in marketing. Always be testing. Always be testing. You understand? So always be testing. So if you want to go deeper in knowing how to run Facebook ads and Instagram ads, I can take you through. So if you want to know more, you can let me know. So alright, see, people who own iPad 4 owns Facebook Access mobile iPad. You see, Journey. So do you know what Facebook? That's what they call algorithm. And because the algorithm understand that these phones are cost, so Facebook listed them that okay, there are people that can purchase anything online. So like I said, ABT, always be testing. So friends of football fans, you can use this one. I think people are into real estate, you can do this. And you can also use it. Frequent international travelers, frequent travelers return. So these are people you can use. Also engage shoppers. I think there is engage. You can use engage shoppers. I know anybody being using engage shopper, but you can also add to it. Just add it to it. So iPhones. These are just people with what do I call it, purchase behavior. So um, look at it, look at it. So this is what you use your narrow audience to do. All right. So thank you very much for this time. And if you have any question or you have maybe you don't understand this aspect, so kindly reach to me. So I will definitely reply you. All right. So thank you. My name is Samuel Adeyemi once again.